So we got a little rain yesterday, and I'm glad we did, because this tank was empty. And I guess the point of the story is when this tank goes empty, we used a hydrant over there behind the greenhouse, but we got an issue. You're doing a good job. So there's the hydrant that we use when the tank is low. And then we hook it to that valve right there with this hose. Well, when I went to go turn this on, the water wasn't coming out, it was just trickling. So I messed with it and I messed with it and I messed with it. And here's what I found. So I got online and I was reading about this thing, and the theory is, you know, you pull this up and it pulls this little rod up, and there's a valve way down in the bottom there. So I went online and I bought this kit. And this is the valve, or plunger. I guess what happens is in the bottom of this, down here about 4 feet, there's a seat, and this is connected to the tube, and it opens and closes. Okay? So I had to take this apart, and I was surprised it came apart so easy, being so old. So we had to unscrew this. We took off the little fitting that was in here to water seal. And then we pulled this rod out. Look, the rubber seat is gone. I don't know if it's stuck in there or what, but we tried everything to get it out of there, and we couldn't get it out of there. So we had to call somebody, and he's on his way. Looking at the table. You're good. Maybe? They're rubber hoses, it'll be fine. I'm anxious to see what's wrong. Because you know how it works, right?
Yeah, the valve like goes down and lets the drain off.
Come out.
Okay.
That's why I think it's just jammed.
It's
So now where does this go?
Well,
Do you think?
water line wise, he probably knows more than that. I dig on this side to not hit the water line, and then I just disconnect,
And
new one in, and
okay.
yep.
Good luck.
All right, we're getting started. He's gonna dig on this side of it because we're assuming that the pipe goes this way. That's bigger than I thought it was. Did I tell you about my story about the What does that do?
So it warms the plastic
Okay.
up. So
Is it a barbs?
in and out. Yep.
Okay. That would have been good.
Would have got you a couple more followers. I got banged in the head.
A video of trip to the hospital.
Everything was going good.
Deep? Yeah.
Or is it on the hydrant?
I put it in.
How the barb that I just took off and that, is that pretty much the same?
A little bit bigger. I don't know if the other one wore out or.
Well, pretty close.
And just the newness of it? Okay.
Yeah, I think
It's
so.
wore down
Yeah.
quite a bit.
Couple new clamps. Put old ones on.
Some black tape. It'll be fine.
Duct tape.
So this has a drain on it too. Is that is?
That's that's what it is. This one they just got a small little T on it.
Yeah.
You know, he's been doing that for a long time. You want to kick the juice on?
Yes.
Yeah. That's it.
So much for sunny all day.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
Cooling down. Yep.
Cheers. We have water. We have water.
So what was it?
Just hydrants.
Exactly what?
Yep.
So everything else was good,
Yep.
huh?
It's running good.
Whoa.
Alrighty. You want to check it out?
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. All right. That's it.
Anything else you could fix?
I can definitely fix a lot of.
He said he could bury that pad over there, that concrete.
Everybody said they could bury this cattle.
I wouldn't bury it. I would haul it off it along the creek because that stuff, it doesn't have a bunch of rebar in it, and you can place that on it for erosion. So that's what that stuff.
That's what you used it for?
Yeah.
Okay.
And actually, Dave Cass, the farmer, just
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We know Dave.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right there. He just east of his place where that bridge is, on both sides, that's there. All the stuff.
Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank
It was nice meeting you.
Have a good one.
You too.
After you leave, we'll go and inspect it so she can't chase you down.
He's giving you a running start.
You got my number.
There you go. We know where to find you.
Thanks again. Have a good one. I don't know if I'm going to get that old one apart to see what was wrong with it. It's so corroded and rusted. And the new one is brass.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah. Brass and the stainless steel fittings and, oh, nice.
Now all this will, I'm assuming, sell that,
Sure,
right?
sure, absolutely.
Oh, wow, isn't that fancy?
Yeah. Nice. What do you think?
Awesome.
Go ahead and try it. Don't get your feet dirty though.
Oh yeah, I don't want it to splash on the wall.
It's really easy. Be careful. Okay, it's coming.
Oh, that's what I didn't want.
I'm glad. Huh?
Nice.
Got a little adjustment on here
For what?
for different floats, like the Iowa one we have up
that's
there.
what I was gonna say. It looks like our
Yeah,
other
here,
one too.
watch
Yeah.
yourself.
Wow.
Nice.
Impressive.
All right. That's it.
Thank you.
That's our hydrant story. Thanks for following along. Those guys were pretty nice. I'm glad they did such a good job. We'll get all this cleaned up and you'll never know it was even here. Look, we got a rock. We'll put it somewhere in memory of the old one.
Hydrant.
Thanks for watching. Hey, like and subscribe. Have a good one. See you later.